Welcome to MB Shoe Doc, where we explore the world of quality dress shoes for men. We will cover the art of patina and shine, learn to care for our shoes, review the brands that you love, and introduce brands that you've never heard of. Hello my friends, I've got a new unboxing video for you today. Cru Nonpareil, and this brand is coming to us from Trinidad. Let's take a look. Nice packaging, so notice the foam here, really well done. Each boot is individually wrapped in a shoe bag. Alright, so we got the shoe bag and actually wrapped in plastic on top of that. But look at this absolutely stunning hand-painted museum finish on this Chelsea boot. Wow, these are beautiful. Let's take the other one out. Nice touch. The fact that each one comes in its own individual bag, and on top of that wrapped in plastic. Let's get the box out of here. Alright, yeah, look at these absolutely stunning boots. I love this museum style hand-painted finish on these. So it is a Goodyearwelted shoe. Nice little rubber bit. So it is a leather sole, but with like a rubber toppy added. And you can see the logo here. Some nice decorative nail work. They have functional and decorative both. Just the slimmest little bit of a bevel to the waist there. And that's like an olive green color on this too, so hand painted sole. That's kind of cool. But that upper, absolutely beautiful. Toe shape is nice, so it's not, it's kind of a soft square, so a little bit of a chisel to it, but not overly aggressive. And looking at it from the side, you know, it's got a nice little bit of an angle here. It's got a slight kind of hump to the toe as well, which is a good look. Man, that finish is really something special. Very nice that they got the foam inserted in here. And these came with shoe trees as well. Another very nice touch. I did not know that they were going to have shoe trees included, so that's fantastic. Just inspecting this thing a little bit closer, you know, I'm kind of looking at the stitching. Everything looks clean, really smooth sole edge here. You know, I don't see any kind of defect in the stitching at all. Very clean. You know what? I didn't notice this at first, but they even darkened up this flex part here. So there's a slight patina to that. Now, was that on purpose, or did it just happen while painting the rest? You know, I don't know. It looks to me, looks purposeful. So that's a really nice touch, adding that little bit of shadow to that part. Really, really nice. Take a look at the other one here. Just inspecting it as well. Yeah, you know, very nice stitch density. The uppers stitched really well. Just not seeing any kind of defects. I like the pull tab. It's nice having that option. And again, just a slight bevel to the sole, but overall, absolutely stunning boot. Something nice about this brand, they let me know, is that they've got sizes from a US 6 to a US 17. So if you're one of those kind of rarer sizes, yeah, this would be a brand for you to check out for sure. And they also go up to triple E on the width. So, you you know, talking to Kenwin, he really started this company because himself and some of his friends were kind of tough fits in the shoes, and so they said, hey, let's start our own line. We'll do, you know, extra large sizes, extra widths, and they have a few different lasts, and they're really good about helping you find a last to fit you the best. So absolutely check them out. Again, that's Cru Nonpareil, and I'll put their name and link to them in the video. But yeah, check them out. A new emerging brand. Beautiful boots. Thanks again, guys. I'll be wearing these tomorrow. Super excited. Alright, so this is after my first day of wearing the boots here. Comfort was great. I still think they are beautiful, but something I've never really run into before. I noticed partway through the day just this kind of ashy look to the surface of the boots. I don't know if you'll be able to visualize it here on the camera. So this is either the finish, or if they treated it with some sort of cream polish or something, but it is coming off of the boot. So, you know, this is kind of a mild surprise, you know, a little bit of a disappointment here. I don't know if I would call it a defect yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at treating this, and you know, in case someone else runs into something like this. So you can use a horsehair brush. First I'm going to brush these things off, get any of that loose, whatever that is, trying to get that off. I ended up treating these with Bic 4 conditioning lotion, and that seems to have taken care of the problem for the time being. I'm kind of waiting to wear them a little bit longer term, and I'll provide an update video in the future, but so far this looks to have taken care of it, and I don't expect to get any more of that flaking finish going forward.